If a girl come in and start touching me, that's why I say just rub your head, rub your head. All those girls, they know that is a formula. So they rub your head, rub in chest, just touch and small, touch in nipples, just touch and rub and not leave and say, hey darling, please now, it's just 30,000 I need now. Two things. Is that I say, get it behind me. Or you'll be like, okay, don't worry, I'll give you later. Just so let me just transfer and give you. Like maybe so that you will have peace of mind. But on a norm, that touching, that rubbing the head and touching the body or just open your clothes, like take off your clothes and walk around with your bra. And see, you will collect. Say, I rape me, he did not rape you. He did not rape you. Are you understanding? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Hey. That is for a man. For a woman, her cycle is once in a month. Once in a whole month. Are you sure this is recorded? Okay. In a whole month, one time. That time is what they call the heat period or the ovulation period. And her own is more intense than a man's own. So that's when, for guys, you see some women, that's when they will want to be talk naughty with you, they want to be sexual. You'll be like, this girl that I've been talking to has been doing holy, he has been doing that, she just talking about sex. That's when you see some kind of status. I'm giving you a secret now. When you see some ladies post some kind of status, be like, don't be shocked. The thing is now intense. That's their time. That's their own circle. It comes once in a month. For some ladies, it's 1 day, some is 2 days, some is 3 days, some 4 days. Within that period, they want sex, they want a man, they crave a man. So here's the point. Let's even assume that it's 5 days. What happened to the remaining 25 days in the month? They not send you. That's why you see that he's a woman, you are expecting her to be emotional, but she's not emotional. She just talk to you anyhow. But you are trying to test her, you are trying to be romantic, she's not interested in the romance. Why? Her hormones is in check that period. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah. Her hormones, they are in check that period. They are all right. Very all right. So all right that period. Nothing. That's why you also hear men who say things like, when they are teaching about sex, they'll say, you have to work hard to turn her on, you have to put her in the mood. You don't need to work hard to put a man in the mood. Which work? You're wasting your time. Excuse me, please. I noticed that my internet is not working well. So you don't need to do any special things. A man is always ready. Always. You see the difference now?